Hi folks, my name is Gazwan Kari and I'm a systems consultant for the Dell Software Group. Today I will be walking you through a migration of SharePoint 2010 content to Office 365 using Dell Software's Migration Suite for SharePoint. Please note that Migration Suite works with all versions of SharePoint, including the free versions WSS and Foundation. So here we are on the interface of Migration Suite for SharePoint. And again, we're going to be upgrading content. Specifically speaking, the example I'll show you is how we upgrade lists or a specific list from SharePoint 2010 to Office 365. The process is exactly identical if you're upgrading items or sites or entire site collections. You browse to the source content, you right-click on it, you select to copy it, and then you browse to your target destination, you right-click, and you select to paste. You can also use wizards and you can also schedule your migration jobs. Here we are on the interface. On the navigation screen, I've connected to all my SharePoint sites. These are SharePoint. In my case here, I have SharePoint 2007, 10, 13, and Office 365, all flavors. So I've expanded my promotions SharePoint or my promotions Windows Reporter. I double-clicked here on Reporter supported platforms. This is a list. I double-clicked. I see the content here on the right-hand side. I could have also right-clicked and said, show me this in a browser. So here's the Reporter supported platforms. This is 2010 source list. Again, processes, you right-click, you select to copy. Let's collapse this entire site now. And then here's my Office 365 site. I'm going to right-click on it, and I'm going to select to paste to Office 365. There's options to choose from. We're copying lists. Do we want to copy the views, the workflows, the info path, SharePoint designer objects? Do we want to remap users and templates? Do we want to apply filters? I'm not going to do any of the above. I'm just going to click finish. This is going to upgrade the list from SharePoint 2010 again to Office 365. It's copying permissions, copying the content, checking if target. You're reading this as I'm reading it as well. Looks like there's 6 items and it copied successfully. Here's the log. Let's view the log. Here's the way you're viewing the log. Show me all successful information, failed, warnings, details. It took 19 seconds. We copied the list. Here's the items and the size of each and every item. If anything did not process, we can come back and reprocess it if we know what needs to be fixed. And here's the history, and we can load up all the other log files as well. But in any case, we upgraded the list to Office 365. Let's right-click and let's view it in the browser. This is going to open this up in Office 365. Here's the target. Here's the list again. And here's the target. We just created this within the Migration Suite for SharePoint in fairly 3-step process. Right-click, copy, right-click, paste.